Need to understand a PDF more quickly? ChatGPT can help you analyze PDFs by summarizing documents, explaining complex sections, answering questions, extracting key information, and comparing content. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to analyze PDF files with ChatGPT in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to your ChatGPT account and start a new conversation where you'll upload your PDF. Make sure your account supports file uploads before continuing. Next, click the attachment button, browse to your PDF file, and upload it to the conversation. Wait until the upload is complete before sending your prompt. Larger PDF files may take a little longer to process. Once the file has finished uploading, ask ChatGPT what you'd like to learn from the document. For example, you can request a summary, identify key points, explain technical sections, or answer specific questions. The more specific your request, the more useful the analysis will usually be. Continue asking follow-up questions to explore different sections of the PDF. You can compare information, extract important details, create study notes, or request simplified explanations. Take a moment to keep refining your questions as you review the document. Ask ChatGPT to organize the information into outlines, bullet points, tables, action items, or reports that are easier to review and share. Structured summaries can save you a lot of time later. Before relying on the results, review the original PDF and verify important facts, especially if you're using the information for school, work, legal, financial, or medical purposes. So you've successfully learned how to analyze PDF files with ChatGPT, and that's how to analyze PDF files with ChatGPT. By uploading your documents and asking detailed questions, you can quickly understand complex information, save time, and improve your workflow. The better your prompts and follow-up questions, the more valuable your document analysis will become. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.